Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Google Search Console? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Google Search Console property anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different assistants or team members, and sometimes you want to add them into your Google Search Console so they can manage the reports. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member to a property, here on the top left, you want to make sure you're working in the correct property. Once you've chosen, you want to click on Settings. Over here on the left, it looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this box right here, and you want to look for Users and Permissions. Off to the right, you want to click on this little arrow. Okay, next you're going to see all of the admins and team members that you've added into the property. But to add a new one, you want to click on Add User up here on the top left. Okay, next you want to go ahead and enter in the email address to their Google account. All right, once you've entered in their email address, you want to choose their permission. So the options are owner, full, and stricter. If you need help defining those, go back and watch my other video that describes all of those in detail. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and add them as a full account access. And then you want to click on Add. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see a pop-up that goes by pretty quick at the bottom. It says User Added. And now you can see that person has been added right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Google Search Console property, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.